But the shock technology has come so far. You know, back in the day, it had to have coilovers and bypasses and bump stops, but these new shocks that they're coming out with.
It's pretty impressive.
Wow.
And you'll see the Jensen brothers racing up next with ORIs. You know much about them?
I do.